Ano na pong nararamdaman kayong official editing?
It's an absolute honor. Anytime you're representing the Philippines, it's an honor. So we're grateful, we're humbled that our film has been selected to represent the Philippines at the Oscars next year. I'm extremely happy for Direk Lam. Like you said, he risked his life to make this film. And the blessing is that we're here today. Very excited and we're thankful for the trust that we have been given.
Direk Lam, being an Academy member yourself, ano po magiging game plan natin para makakuha tayo ng pwesto doon?
Hindi hirap kasi. Sa Oscars kasi, butas ng karayong yan eh. It's more an election process. So, ang methodology is we have to campaign. Buti na lang, we have good distributors in North America and European distributors sa Pilipinas. So, we've been good hands. Sa aspectong promotion na lang, malaking bagay na yun.
Pero direct malaking advantage na kilala ka na. No? Yeah, ng ilang mga...
Sa festival circuit, yeah.
Right, right. You mentioned kanina na parang literal na buwis buhay.
Yeah, kasakit ako lang shoot eh. So, 7 years and 6 years of shoot, 6 months of shoot. So,
okay.
Yun lamig, it's more, napabayaan ko rin sarili ko. Okay. During the shoot. Okay na. Aling na bang nagagamot sa tuberculosis?
Some shoot yun sa Pilipinas, sa Spain o Portugal?
Kasama na yun.
Combination na lang.
Isang buwan sa Europe, and then ang preparation namin sa Pilipinas, 6 months. Nagtayo kami ng Cebu Village, Malacca Village, so yeah. Mahaba yung shoot.
Direk Lam, anong comment mo na sinasabi ng mga reviews na this is your most parang mainstream na film?
Well, sorry.
Pinaka-marketable na.
Dahil siguro may Hollywood actor, Kyle Garcia Bernal. Malaking class ni Kyle, of course. Dahil kilala siyang actor all over the world. Mahusay rin siya. And yung sensibilidad niya para Pilipino eh, Mexican. Malaking class sa atin.
Pero kumusta yung pagkatrabaho ninyo ni Kael? Nag-swak agad din ba kayo?
Magandang katrabaho si Kael. Napaka-intelligent niyang actor. Pinag-aaralan niya yung character niya. In fact, almost 2 years yung pinaghandaan.
Ano sinabi ng mga bago kasi sa pumunta ba si Kael?
Ewan ko nga po, kung maganda na niya si Kael. We'll try.
Dati na ba si Kael sa premiere next week?
He's been to the Philippines twice already for the shooting. So he's, for the first part, he was here for 3 weeks, and then he came back for another 2-3 weeks. So he really embraced the country. He loved everything about the Philippines. Like Lav said, it's very similar to the Mexican culture. So he's very supportive. He'll definitely be back to support the film. Now, whether it's going to be for our September 10 nationwide screening, will have to surprise you. But he's very supportive, and he's he knows about the news, and he's excited to also campaign with us. He's going to be very crucial also to the campaign of the film. Especially, we'll be in Toronto, and then I think the New York Film Festival in the next month.
Oh. Direk Lam,
Salamat.
ano mong pangarap nyo for this film aside from winning the Oscars?
Sana mapanood na maraming Pilipino. Kasi nga, tulad na sinabi ko doon, magandang laging bumalik tayo sa kasaysayan kasi doon tayo nang galing. Tayo makakausap kung hindi natin alam ang nakaraan natin. Mahalaga yun. Ang Magellan, mayroon na kailangan mapanood ng bayan.
Thank you, Direk.
Thank you, guys.